Along the quiet banks of rivers and streams, a quiet transformation unfolds, one led not by humans, but by beavers. These unassuming mammals, often overlooked in the grand tapestry of nature, are quietly at work, shaping the world around them in ways that few other creatures can. These industrious creatures are nature's original engineers, shaping landscapes for millennia. With powerful jaws and tireless determination, they fell trees and gather branches, working together as a family to build intricate dams and lodges that stand the test of time. A single beaver family can turn a rushing stream into a thriving wetland in a matter of weeks. Their efforts slow the flow of water, allowing it to pool and spread, creating lush oases where life flourishes. Their instinctive construction sets off a cascade of ecological benefits, altering the land, holding back water, and creating new habitats. Birds, fish, amphibians, and countless other species find sanctuary in the wetlands beavers create, making these animals true stewards of biodiversity. For years, beavers were seen as pests, their dams a nuisance to human plans. Farmers and landowners often dismantled their work, not realizing the vital role these animals play in maintaining healthy ecosystems. But as we face drought, wildfires, and biodiversity loss, we're beginning to see their true value. Beaver wetlands store precious water during dry spells, slow the spread of wildfires, and provide refuge for wildlife when other habitats disappear. Beavers offer us a lesson in resilience, a blueprint for restoration written in water, wood, and stone. Their ability to adapt and persist, even in the face of adversity, inspires us to rethink our relationship with the natural world. Their story is one of hope, showing nature's power to heal itself if given the chance. When beavers return, the land comes alive, and the balance of life is restored. Let's take a closer look at these remarkable animals and the world they create. By understanding their role, we can learn how to better protect and restore our own environments. We'll discover how their simple act of building a dam can revive parched landscapes and protect against fire and flood. Their work is a natural solution to some of our most pressing environmental challenges. The beaver story is a testament to adaptation, perseverance, and the quiet power of creation. Through their actions, they remind us that even the smallest creatures can have a profound impact on the world. Join us as we explore the interconnectedness of all living things through the lens of the beaver, and discover how these humble engineers are helping to shape a brighter, more resilient future for us all. The beaver, the world's second-largest rodent, is a marvel of adaptation, built for life between land and water. Its broad tail, webbed feet, and self-sharpening teeth are the tools of a master craftsman. Beavers live in close-knit families, working together to build and maintain their dams and lodges. Their lodges with underwater entrances keep them safe from predators and provide a warm, dry home. The dam is their key to survival, raising water levels to create deep ponds that protect their homes and store food for winter. The sound of running water triggers their instinct to repair and reinforce their structures. Their building process is a feat of instinctual engineering, logs, branches, and mud, woven into strong, watertight barriers. Every night, they work relentlessly, driven by an innate sense of architecture. They're not just building dams, they're creating sanctuaries and legacies for their families. Through their tireless labor, beavers transform entire landscapes. These natural engineers shape the world in ways that benefit countless other species. A beaver dam is an act of transformation, nature's own engineering marvel, built stick by stick, mud by one of the animal kingdom's most industrious architects. Where once a fast-flowing stream rushed through dry land, beavers create a wide, shimmering pond. The landscape is forever changed, as water pools and spreads, breathing new life into the earth. The dam acts like a sponge, capturing water and slowly recharging the groundwater table. This gentle, steady release of water helps sustain the ecosystem even during dry spells. This stored water turns dry soil into fertile ground, allowing new plants to thrive. Grasses, reeds, and wildflowers spring up, painting the banks with vibrant color and attracting pollinators. The stream's single channel becomes a complex mosaic of water and land, an oasis of life. Ponds, marshes, and channels interlace, creating a patchwork of habitats. Think of a fast stream as a highway. Everything passes through quickly, with little time to linger or settle. A beaver pond, in contrast, is a bustling marketplace where life slows down and flourishes. Here, frogs croak, ducks paddle, and insects dance above the water's surface. Nutrients settle, fertilizing the soil and making the wetland incredibly productive. Sediment that once washed away now enriches the land, supporting a web of life. The pond's variety, deep channels, sun-warmed shallows, tangled edges, creates homes for countless creatures. Fish, amphibians and insects all find their niche in this watery labyrinth. The landscape comes alive with the sounds of water, insects, and birds. Every corner of the wetland hums with activity, a living symphony orchestrated by the beaver's work. Lush vegetation replaces dry banks, and the air grows cooler and more humid. The microclimate shifts, supporting even more life than before. What was once a simple stream becomes a rich three-dimensional world, layered with water, plants, and wildlife at every level. This is the magic of the Beaver Dam, using water to conjure entire ecosystems, transforming barren land into vibrant sanctuaries. Through patient construction, beavers create habitats teeming with life. Their efforts ripple outward, benefiting countless species, from the tiniest insect to the largest bird. Their work is a testament to nature's power to transform and renew, reminding us of the profound impact even the smallest creatures can have on the world around them. Once a beaver dam creates a wetland, life explodes in abundance. What was once a simple stream is transformed into a vibrant, living mosaic, teeming with activity and color. Algae and aquatic plants flourish, forming the base of a thriving food web. These plants not only provide food, but also oxygenate the water and offer shelter for countless tiny creatures. Invertebrates, snails, insects, crustaceans find food and shelter, attracting larger animals. The wetland's muddy bottom and dense vegetation become a haven for these small but vital creatures. Amphibians like frogs and salamanders use the calm ponds as nurseries, while fish find refuge in deep pools. Tadpoles and young salamanders thrive in the still, protected waters, safe from many predators. The complex structure of submerged branches offers hiding places and a steady food supply. Fallen logs and tangled roots create a labyrinth where fish and amphibians can evade danger and hunt for food. Birds flock to the ponds. Ducks nest. Herons hunt. And swallows feast on insects. The wetland's bounty supports both resident and migratory birds, making it a hub of avian activity. Even birds of prey are drawn by the abundance of fish. Ospreys and eagles soar overhead, scanning the water for their next meal. The benefits extend beyond the water's edge. Deer, elk, and moose graze on lush vegetation, while small mammals and their predators thrive. The rich plant growth nourishes herbivores and in turn supports a web of carnivores and scavengers. By creating this rich habitat, beavers act as keystone species. Their engineering shapes the landscape, making it possible for so many others to survive and flourish. Their presence supports a far greater variety of life than would exist otherwise. Without beavers, these wetlands would shrink, and much of this diversity would disappear. The beaver pond becomes a critical stopover for migrating birds and a sanctuary for countless creatures. It's a place of rest, nourishment, and safety for animals on the move. The ripple effect of their work sustains entire ecosystems, connecting forests, meadows, and waterways in a web of life. Beavers are the foundation of vibrant, resilient wetlands, shaping landscapes that support life in all its forms for generations to come. In a changing climate, beaver wetlands are more vital than ever. Their dams act as natural buffers, slowing floodwaters and reducing downstream damage. During drought, beaver ponds store water, keeping streams flowing and vegetation green. These wetlands provide lifelines for wildlife and support local agriculture. Remarkably, beaver wetlands resist wildfires. The saturated ground and lush plants simply won't burn. These green corridors become refuges for animals and starting points for ecosystem recovery. Beaver ponds also capture and store carbon, locking it away in sediment for centuries. In this way, beavers quietly help mitigate climate change. Their work is a natural solution to some of our most pressing environmental challenges. Despite their benefits, beavers and humans have often clashed. Once hunted nearly to extinction for their fur, beavers disappeared from many landscapes. As people developed land, beaver dams flooded roads and fields, leading to frustration and conflict. For decades, beavers were seen as pests and removed, but this only degraded streams and dried out wetlands. Without beavers, rivers cut deeper channels, water tables dropped, and meadows vanished. The complex, life-filled landscapes beavers create were replaced by simpler, less resilient systems. We focused on short-term fixes, missing the bigger picture of their ecological value. Now we're beginning to understand the consequences of their absence. Restoring beavers means restoring the health and resilience of our waterways. Thankfully, our perspective is shifting. Scientists, landowners, and conservationists now see beavers as partners in restoration. Innovations like flow devices, pipes and fences that control water levels allow beavers and people to coexist. Beavers are being relocated to degraded streams, where their work quickly revives wetlands. This approach is often more effective and less expensive than traditional restoration. Education and collaboration help landowners see the benefits: improved grazing, reliable water, and healthier ecosystems. By managing conflicts, we unlock the enormous services beavers provide. We're moving from control to stewardship, working with nature's engineers for a better future. Imagine a future where river valleys are shaped by beavers, complex, dynamic, and alive. Beaver wetlands absorb floods, sustain flows during drought, and create fire breaks against wildfires. These landscapes support more songbirds, amphibians, fish, and endangered species. The return of beavers brings abundance and resilience back to our natural world. Achieving this vision means restoring beavers where they can have the greatest impact. It requires creative solutions and a commitment to coexistence. By letting nature's wisdom lead, we can heal our land and secure a vibrant future. In the story of our planet, it's often the quiet forces that bring lasting change. The beaver, with its humble tools, is one such force, an unsung hero of our waterways. Their dams build resilience, foster biodiversity, and heal landscapes. By working with beavers, we set in motion a cascade of healing for the environment. Their return is more than a conservation success, it's a step toward a more vibrant world. Let's celebrate these remarkable creatures and the worlds they create. The beaver is a promise. If we give nature a chance, it will thrive. They are, truly, nature's hope.